Ka Department ENT Shillong Medical College Hanegasngi kala Pynlong ya ka first hand on Rhinoplasty Workshop-cum-CME Hasit Convention Center Shillong. Hagani ka program lawan bani shimbanta da ki specialist kum Dr. Ulas Raghavan Rhinoplasty and facial plastic surgeon nangta Dr. Subra Goel oculoplastic and aesthetic surgeon but Dr. Bobby L. Majau oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Hagajing Donlang, Jong Professor Dr. Nicolas C. Lengdo, Director, but Professor Dr. Biraj K. Das, Dean, Jong Shillong Medical College. Shushu Hagani ka program laidon bentalangru daki Samla Puli, Jong Shillong Medical College, Harangkat, Gunong Mikmat, Naki District Baper Joka Jala, Kibalayishim Bentalang.
I would also like to invite Dr. Polas to the dais.
And I am happy I'm very grateful that you could be with us, and I welcome you, sir. I welcome all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful deliberation.
I'm really thankful to you all, and I'd like to welcome you all. Mr. Ulas, just over phone, I called and he came down, so no formalities I did. Likewise, I called Kosturi, and Kosturi straightway referred to Dr. Subra Goel, and straightway she thought, yes, I'm going. So nothing I did, but she has come. Yesterday I had a tension because she's coming alone at midnight. She reached Shillong at 1:50. So that way everything is good, nicely done. And this is because you're part of the physioplasty. I like to impose everybody to be here because this is our subject. Plastic surgeon is a little deficient of us because we are giving more part that is mostly functional as well as aesthetic. So morning, Dr. Arijit Thompson, he has delivered very nice lecture. I'm really thankful to him, and his deliberation to the subject with relation to surgery was really apprising. I'm really happy to stand you there. And next, I like to be thankful to our Madam Director because without her consent, I cannot do it. It would never have been possible. And because of our Dr. Joram Beda, he's the Commissioner of Health. He always insists like this, whatever you do, do it. I'm always with you, like this. So, over phone, he is calling me any problem or not. If any problem, you just let me know. So he is really, I never saw in any state of India that one commissioner is involved like this. I'm thankful to him. I'm thankful to all. Now I'd like to do the next procedure of lighting of the lamp.